In this training, you'll learn how to download your homesteader's rate calculator onto your smartphone. So the first thing that you need to do on your smartphone is you're going to need to log in using your web browser to homesteaderslife.com. Once you are logged in, you'll see a screen that looks like this. The very first time that you log in, you're going to need to click on the button that says request access. That's right here. Okay, so once you click onto that, it'll take you to a separate page, and you'll enter in your 5-digit agent number that you received in your welcome email. If you just received it, it usually takes about 24 hours for the agent ID number to update in the system that will allow you to log in. So wait at least 24 hours before you try to log in after you receive your agent number. So once you do that, you'll go to the page, you'll enter in your agent number. It will ask you a couple of other identification questions, and it will actually send you an email and allow you to set up your password. Once that's done, then you can go to this page. You'll enter in your 5-digit agent number for your user ID and the new password you created, and it will allow you to enter the site. The very first time that you enter the site, and your intentions are to download your rate calculator, you'll need to click on the Library tab. The Library tab will take you to this page. I want to take your attention down to this area where it says iPhone Android Calculator, and you'll click on the Assurant Active Balance Protect installation file version 2.5. Initially, you're not going to load in your Security Option Plus. That's something for a later time. And you're not going to download the West Coast Family Insurance Calculator. That does not apply to us, and there's no reason to download that. So once you click on that, for Android phones, it'll take you to a screen that looks just like this. Then you'll notice in the top right corner on the newer Android phones, there's 3 dots. On some of the older phones, there's a little pattern on the left bottom side that looks like this. When you click on that, it'll open up a menu, and you'll notice it'll say Add to Home Screen. You'll click on that. It'll take you to this screen. You'll click on Add, and it will create an icon on your screen that just looks like this. And now if you have an iPhone, it'll do the same thing. You click on the install, it'll pull up a screen that looks just like this. You'll click on this button. It'll take you to a screen that looks like this. You'll click Add to Home Screen. It'll take you to this screen. You'll click Add, and it will add this icon to your screen. So when you click on this icon, open up your browser, and it will take you to a screen that looks just like this. So once you have this on your smartphone, you'll click on the Settings tab that's here at the top, and from there, once you click on that, it'll take you to this screen, and the very first time you'll have to set up your settings. So the product that you're assigned to is called Assurance Active. So you'll turn that button on, and then you'll go down here to the California state settings, and you'll turn that on. Once that's done, you won't have to go back there for now. Every time you click on the rate calculator, this is what you're going to get. So the first thing I'm going to show you is how to calculate payment information. So when you click on payment information, it'll open this screen. Then you'll enter in the information that applies to what we're doing. So you'll enter in the state of California. You'll enter in the age of the person that you're going to be insuring. You'll click the form 201. For the time being, just use the 201 button. Just make sure it's 201. We now are using the GP 202 California form, but the calculations are the same, so don't be concerned about that. Next is you're going to change this where it says insured signed app. It's important that the person that is going to be receiving the insurance sign the application, even if there is also an applicant owner. The reason is that we offer multi-pay plans to those that sign the application. If an applicant purchaser is going to purchase application for someone that cannot sign the application, then the only payment option is a single pay. So if we want multi-pay, we have to click on the yes. You're going to click Assurant Active. You're going to do security. You're going to do monthly payments. You're going to do the prearranged collection as opposed to direct bill, and that's explained in more detail on the enrollment form. Then you're going to enter in the prearrangement amount or the amount of insurance that your client is going to be purchasing. You can do that up to $25,000. Then we're going to hit calculate, and it'll return the screen with the results. And so at the top of this screen, you want to double check that you put the correct information in. You didn't make a mistake. So we have security, we have age 65, we have the correct prearrangement amount. It's going to be monthly. It's going to be the prearranged collection. So if all those are correct, then you can scroll down and you can see the different payment options. So for single pay, 3-year, 5-year, 7-year, and 10-year. And you'll also notice that on all of these, it will give you the face amount and the monthly premium amount, and those are the numbers that you'll use to put on your enrollment form. So it's very simple once you have this calculator downloaded on your phone. Then the second way to use this calculator, many times you're dealing with someone that has in mind how much a month that they want to pay. So you can determine how much insurance that they can buy using the affordability calculator as opposed to the payment information calculator. So you'll click on the affordability tab. It'll look almost identical to the payment information tab, so you'll fill in all the information just like we did a few minutes ago for payment information. But you'll notice as we get down to this box, the other box said the prearrangement amount. This box says premium amount. So you'll enter in the amount monthly premium that they can afford to find out how much insurance that they can afford. So you type in this case, let's use $75, okay? And it'll return, same thing, it'll give you the results, and you'll notice here that you'll have the premium at $75, and if they only want to make 3 years worth of payments, they can afford face amount of $2,380.95. And as you can see, as we go down, the 5-year, they can get more face, the 7-year more, and then all the way down here, the 10-year, still $75 premium, but they can get $5,357.14 in face amount insurance. So that's how you use the calculator. That's how you download it on your phone.